Hello traders, thanks for watching this video and thanks for your support. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for regular updates. Today I am going to share you CPR Advanced Price Action course. I got this course from one person. The course worth is 7,000 rupees. You can learn this technique absolutely free. Why I am sharing this technique? Because many people making loss in stock market, they paid more money to learn this kind of strategies. So help us much as possible, and then I need your blessings and support only. That's it. Thank you. Today we are entering directly in CPR Advanced Price Action course. We can use three kinds of moving average. One is 20 simple moving average in green color and 50 simple moving average in red color and 200 simple moving average in black color. The cell formations like this. The red line is called 50 simple moving average and green line is considered as 20 simple moving average. Here you see the crossover is happened. The crossover like a railway track. So only it's called as RTP, railway track pattern. Here you see the red line and then green line will be crossed above the red line. It is considered as RTP, railway track pattern. First understand this crossover properly and make some note, because I am giving some important hints. You can note that for your reference. So don't skip this video and watch full video for your understand purpose. Okay, here I defined only 50 moving average and 20 moving average. For sell condition like this and buy condition like this, we can use 5 minutes time frame. And then I give one suggestion. This railway track pattern is formed at 10 o'clock or before 10 o'clock. After 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, the railway track pattern is formed, means it's a fake railway track pattern. So don't consider that. And then stock selection is very important. Stock selection is very important for this strategy, because in this strategy we can buy at new high. Current day new high we can buy for entry, and current day new low for sell entry. That's a very simple concept. Higher high, see here, higher high formation. The candle moving up and then comes under this moving average and then form new high. Okay, whenever the fresh high is broken, a current day fresh high is broken, higher high is broken, you can wait for confirmation candle. The candle is, the blue candle is confirmation candle. This candle is called as trigger candle. This candle close above the high, so we get confirmation and then we go for long entry in this pattern. The railway track pattern is very important. And then candlestick formation breaks the higher high and new high. Forming new high is a entry. Forming new low, here you see this candle low breaks, so this is new low. The lower low concept is comes under this sell session. See, the new low is formed, the candle will be closed, the blue candle is closed under this low, new low, fresh low, current day low. Okay, understand, current day low. The price will be closed, so we get sell entry and then we use for sell like this formation. Okay, and then moving average is very important. Whenever the price takes support at 20 moving average or 50 moving average, it's very important. It's one of the point in this strategy. So make note, 20 moving average can take a good support, otherwise 50 moving average will give a good support. Okay, and then we can use 5 minutes time frame. for scalping. The concept is very simple. You can enter at a fresh low or fresh high. For buying, fresh high is formed and breaked. For selling, fresh low is formed and breaked. Higher high formation and lower low formation is must for in this technique. And then RTP, railway track pattern, is must. After 11 and 12 the railway track pattern is formed means it's a fake railway track pattern. Consider that it's a fake railway track pattern after forming 11 to 12, so don't consider that. And then I'm going to live chart. See this chart. I will give some examples. Here I am using some lines, but the CPR will be confusing, so I am removing these CPR lines to clear picture. To view a clear picture, I am removing this CPR indicator. Okay, I removed the indicator, and then see the railway track pattern first. The green line crossed above a red line. You can see the railway track pattern for buying entry because the green line is greater than red line. And entry, the rule for entry is wait for 9:30 candle. See here, 9:30 candle is this. I will maximize the size so you can clearly view this picture. It's a fresh day. Fresh day, you can enter at buying position because the railway track pattern. And then see the first 5 minutes candle will be open and closed, and then second 5 minutes, third 5 minutes, fourth 5 minutes. Mark the fourth 5 minutes. You see the fourth 5 minutes is very important. It's a 9:30 candle, so mark the high. You can mark the high for buying entry. The 9:30 it forms this level of high. The next candle will be breaked this high and closed above the high, so we get buying confirmation. The price moves up. Okay, why we using moving average? Sometimes the price traveling near this moving average, so the moving average is reacted as, we can consider this moving average as stop loss level. We can trial a stop loss under this moving average. For this type of trending movement, we can consider a candlestick's low. Recent candlestick's low we can put as stop loss and go for buy entry. It's very simple. Mark the 9:30 candle overall high. See, the level is overall high. Again I am showing you the 9:30 candle, 9:30 candle, overall high is this. I marked this blue line as a fresh high. Whenever the candle breaks a fresh high, new high, it makes new high, and then it closed above the high, previous high. Okay, it closed above the high, and then the buy entry is confirmed. We can go for buy. Why we using CPR? Because I am giving example. In this level we plot CPR means you get more confusion, so only I plot some lines for CPR lines. Consider this as CPR lines. This is resistance 1 and it is resistance 2. Red lines are resistance R1 and R2. See this, it is nearest resistance. The resistance is here. Okay, it's R2, it's R1. Whenever the price breaks the high and we enter buy entry, we consider these two levels because it's a recent CPR level, recent resistance. So we can first plot a Fibonacci in this level, plot Fibonacci and mark the 25% level. At 25 is a first target and mark 50% as a second target. I am giving picture clearly. 25% first target, %, second target. It's very simple. You can use these levels whenever the price breaks the high. You can see here, whenever after completing target you can get fresh highs like this. Consider this as after target achieved. CPR is only for target and moving average is considered for SL. See, this level is very important because it's a fresh high. Okay, consider this is fresh high. I am entered at right now. I am entered at 950. Okay, time is up. I am entered at 950. Here the price crosses above this level. It's a new high. Consider this as a fresh entry. Again, the price will be close above the previous high. Buying entry will be confirmed. So take a 25%. Whenever the CPR is not near this level, you consider at least 25% and 50% for target. Risk reward is you actually safe trading is 1:2 like this. So make quick profit, safe profit. Same condition applied in selling also. I am showing buying example, but the video is going over time, so only I am stopping. Same condition under selling also. The moving average green is crossed below a red line forming railway track pattern. Mark the 930 candle and it breaks the high, go for long entry, and breaks the low, go for short entry. That's it. Very simple strategy. Make use of it. And thanks for your support. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.